Hi, I am here to make a review on my treadmill that I got like a week ago. My face is red because I actually just got done using it. Um, for those of you that don't have like a whole lot of money to spend on a treadmill, and have small spaces, that's why I got this treadmill, because we aren't rich and we do live in a single wide trailer, so we don't have a whole lot of space to put one. This is where I work out at, or walk on it at. The treadmill is listed for $89 on Amazon, and the store is by MCRG. It is a portable treadmill. It's 3.5 horsepower. It does hold up to 400 pounds, and it cost me to have it shipped to my location $139.41. It is a little bit heavy. Have a it's helping me build strength, just loading it from that spot to there. It does have wheels on it, so you can drag it across the floor on the wheels. Dang it, I'm always popping that out there. But I grab my treadmill and I put my hands up underneath the tray and I place it in my little spot over here. Now, oops, oh shoot, I just lost my earbud. This treadmill does come with this, which holds this in place. Oh, I put it backwards. I never exercise that way. Oh well. This is just for review purposes only. But yeah, these go in here, like so. Oop, and yes, I have to do this every time I want to walk on this treadmill. Now, me and my husband did find an easier way of dealing with the Allen bolts or screws that went into this thing. There are Allen screws that come with it, and it's what holds the bar up in place. They go right there. And instead of using those, we actually found some locking pins. And instead of having to use an Allen wrench to undo the Allen screws, we push these locking pins into place. Oh, come on. I must not have it correctly aligned. I don't want to completely fall down on me. There we go. I do that. And do that. And there we go. Now when I'm walking on this, there is a little bit of movement. But I actually hardly ever use the handles, so it's really not that big of a deal. This is the safety cord, I guess you'd call it. When it pops out of that, it'll immediately stop it, and this will not run without this in here. Let me get this plugged in and turned on. So I have it plugged in. Here's the on and off switch. And I'll tell you what, this thing is a little sketchy to be on. I enjoy it, but it's like for short people, I guess. This treadmill, it just, I don't know. Every time I walk on it, I have to find my sweet spot on the treadmill right in here, because if I don't, if I'm up too far, my hand is always hitting this. And this is soft. This is a soft handle. But still, I mean, it's not comfortable to have my hand always hitting this with my stride. I've got my screen here. This is to get it going. Countdown. Starts rolling. These cup holders are not very big. I've got my favorite container here, and see, it doesn't fit in it. My issue is if I don't stay in my sweet spot right in here, then I will either walk up too far forward and my toes will hit that, or I will what do you call it, just zone out and my feet will run off the end back here, and it like kind of scares me. But yeah, when I am in slow walking mode, I don't use this, but whenever I'm jogging on here, I clip it to my shirt. Now, with this is program, I guess. Oops, I can't do anything while it's running. But this is program, and you can program it, or I think it's for like up to 12 people. Now if there are presets on here on this, and if there is a way to like set each person's thing on here, like speed and calories and distance and stuff, if there's a way to preset that and keep it in the memory, I haven't figured that out yet. But there's mine. Press mode and it sets my time, and I normally set it for an hour. And then of course this is to back it off, add, and it does count the calories that you're supposedly like losing, working off. This does count the distance that you go. I go about 3.8 miles, I think, in an hour. And then away we go. And then adjust your speed as you need. You have to excuse me. Like that. This is my comfortable walking speed. I go up to 7 miles per hour when I'm jogging, sometimes 7.4. There's the calories being counted, timers going down. And then when you're wearing this and you accidentally run off of it, it immediately stops it. I mean, dead stops. When this thing is stopping on its own, oops, I do have to put that back in there for this thing to work right again. Whew. Okay, we're going. Okay, now I'm going to stop it. It doesn't abruptly stop itself. It actually, the treadmill, the belt on it actually stops slowly. It just keeps going until it completely stops. But when this is removed, the whole thing stops abruptly. What else was there? I got tired of using the, I just had it earlier. Allen wrenches to remove the screws out of here every time. And that's why we got these locking pins. But that's my review on this treadmill. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some helpful information on, making a decision for yourself. I use it because it makes me feel better about gives me more energy, puts me in a positive mood. There's all sorts of benefits to having a treadmill. and working out, period. I wish I had a full workout bench, but I don't. So I work out the best I can in my home. Ah! Whoa. Yeah, have a blessed day and enjoy your day. Merry Christmas. I hope God is with you today, and actually God is with you always. Anyways, Merry Christmas and have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.